Ballingdon Hall was built nearly 400 years ago at the foot of a hill, looking out over the market town of Sudbury. The present owners loved both the house and the view and lived there happily for more than 12 years. Then a small factory went up 50 yards away, and the Hodges decided it was time to move. But their scheme was more elaborate than most. It meant jacking up the house 9 feet from the ground, putting it on a platform with 26 giant wheels, and tugging it 3,000 feet up a hill. It was all done at what the contractors described as a slow walking pace, and then when it got there, Mrs. Hodge wanted it shifted a few feet to the left. When you've come this far, it's important to line up the house before you dig out the foundations. With luck, it's going to stand there for another 400 years. Now the Hodges have planning permission for the original site, and their home's still in one piece.
We first thought of taking the house down, putting it together again as it's a wooden building, but we were refused permission by the ministry. As it's a listed building, we had to ask, and they said no, but we would consider it if you could take it up in one piece, which is what we've done.
You must have been very fond of it indeed, because it's been said that you spent £100,000 on this move. How much would it have cost?
Well, I'd rather not say all figures. Lots of figures being quoted, but it is very expensive, obviously.